Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Apple Pay on Ticketmaster. It's a super convenient way to purchase tickets. So if you want to know it in details, let's get started. First, make sure your Apple Pay is set up on your device. To do this, go to your settings, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, and add a valid debit or credit card if you haven't done it already. Once your Apple Pay is ready, go to the Ticketmaster website or open the Ticketmaster app. Log into your Ticketmaster account, then browse for the event you want to attend. Select your tickets and proceed to the checkout page. At checkout, you will see Apple Pay as a payment option. So simply tap on it and confirm the purchase with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, depending on your settings. So that's it, guys. It's fast, secure, and super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and enjoy your event.